How to add a coupon bar to Wix. So in order to add a coupon bar, what you can do is you can head over first right here to your setup, head over right here to your apps, and then go to the app market themselves. Now, once you're in here, next thing that you need to do is to head over and then search in here for a specific third-party application, which is Common Ninja Coupon Bar. Click onto the search apps right here and search in here for that. Common Ninja. You can find them right there, so just make sure to search for it. We have in here all of this. We have the Common Ninja, comparison tables, fees, giveaways, and as well as a lot more for this part. Now, if the actual coupon bar is inactive, you can head over and search for the coupon bar themselves like this. We have this smart pop-ups form as well as options for this. Choose one app that you want to install. I'll choose in here this coupon times discount code pop-ups. Then from in there, it will prompt me to this part. So click onto this add the site option. And then this will open in here this window. Make sure to agree and add in here. Now from in there, this will actually install this particular application there, Wix. Now once it's installed, it will actually appear into your actual Wix Studio site from there. So here it is once installed. You can just name right here the widget for the pop-up. Click on this create widget and you can choose in here what kind of coupon bar will appear for this part. You can add in here some edits for this. You can choose how much will be the actual percentage, icon position, and the likes. Next, define a goal on what this will do. You can actually offer a coupon using this part, and you can use an existing discount or create a new one. Now set up the screen design, and for this one, make sure to choose in here which one is actually the one for you. You can choose in here the actual pop-up layout. It can be a slide in, light box, or floating bar. I'll choose in here this floating bar option, and this is what it will look like. Once you're done, click onto this coupon screen design. You can see what this will look like. You can choose the triggers. It can be about right here and click onto this publish once you're done. So that's how you add a coupon bar to Wix. Hope we helped.